In terms of making our poster, article and the short film a unified promotional campaign, there were a lot of elements that we had to think about, and we had to analyze. We had to take a lot of influence from other posters and magazines that we researched into. We did a lot of heavy research into other posters and magazines in order to find out which one we could use to best suit our formats. And what I mean by that is what poster would best depict the film that we were making. So I noticed that in a lot of the gritty drama posters there was a lot of dark colours used, and the pictures that were used were also very dark and were taken in rural areas and urban areas, and areas that looked like areas of poverty, and we had to make sure that we could depict that in our poster. First of all, the poster is what we started with first. We made sure that the picture we used was dark. We had to use Photoshop to edit that and make it darker than what it originally was. I took the decision to take the picture on the stairs of a local council estate to make the picture look gritty and British, and the style of writing that we used on the poster was very heavy, and the fonts were bold and edgy. We kept this same theme in our poster, in our magazine article as well. We used the same fonts, we used the same type of colouring. The images that we used were very dark. We tried to depict how dark the film was going to be within the posters and the magazines, and in the film as well. The fonts throughout all three of these products are the same, in order to keep a regular theme going within our products, so that people could easily recognize that it was our product, and that they would know what products we were doing. In terms of using the same themes within our products, this was a decision that we took, and we had to make sure that even though we were using the same themes, we could still make it look professional at the same time, as we didn't want to have cliche products or cheap looking products. We did a lot of analysis on other magazines and posters and short films, and tried to see how they make each of them look like they're similar without making them look too corny. We kept the same fonts, used the same type of pictures. The colouring was the same as well. We kept the same red, white, and yellow themes throughout the products we used, and we wanted to keep the same themes going.